So here's the idea that you need to keep in mind when you get an extreme or high amount of influx, meaning like you are achieving your products more, right? Meaning you're getting whatever benefits there are from achieving your products, or you're, getting more money, or whatever it is that you do in your business. There's more of it, and massively more. This is a point at which you need to control your humanity the most, because what will happen is temptations will set in, or the things that you've always wanted will become that much more appealing now that you finally have a chance to get them, having, that couple $100 boost, or that couple $1,000 boost, or like whatever it is, being in your business. And the idea then is to economize. That's actually the first step, meaning that you need to resist your own urge to. Resist your own urge to release as much as everything's coming in. So then the first idea is you need to have an understanding of your nature as a human. Meaning, your nature of a human is to receive a lot of money, spend a lot of money. That's your nature as a human. It's what crashes any mega athlete, any like superstar, when they get 50 million, somehow you'll find that they go broke after this. It's because they have not trained themselves, they have not conditioned themselves as life has gone on to do the opposite, or rather to economize. It's not that now that you've made $50 million, you just live in the same apartment, so on and so forth. There's a necessity to live in a better, secure apartment because you have 50 million, right? So like, do understand that, but also economize. Do not necessarily now get a fleet of supercars. You can have a supercar, like, because it's necessary at that stage. You need to have arrived to your events in something becoming of you. But also, have a Lamborghini. Do not have 15, yeah, because you need to prepare for one of two things, right? And both of them will happen depending on your actions now. One of two things. One, the affluence becomes power, meaning the money that you've received converts into a solid state of power. If you make 50 million, right, and you put it in the right place and you don't lose your mind from it, you will have a general net worth of 50 million and the types of income that come to a $50 million tier human. Do you see? And should you not economize, should you just release the money too easily, should you not tighten your fist, what will happen is there'll be a crash, and some odd things that follow having 50 million, let's say tax, let's say like attention, let's say so on and so forth, you'll start getting hit by the negatives. So that affluence, that big increase in money, that big increase in production means that either you're about to have power or you're about to have a malevolent entity following you, meaning like something bad is going to follow you, right? So the way to convert your big increases into a stability, a level of power, is to calm down, is to economize. So somehow when you have all the money in the world, it's not when you spend it. It's when you have consolidated all the money in the world that you can spend whatever residual comes from the consolidation. And that is the essence of elevating yourself to higher levels of power. Get the money and then immediately calm